In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Figjam, a feature of the popular design tool Figma. If you're looking to enhance your workflow and collaborate more efficiently, then understanding how to utilize these templates is essential. We'll take you through each step required to access and use templates in Figjam. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Figma is widely esteemed for its robust collaborative interface design tools, making it a go-to resource for creatives and teams. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the login button, usually located towards the upper right section of the page. Click on it to sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process emphasized by user-friendly prompts from Figma. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your starting point for navigating all the features Figma offers. It may show your recent files and shared documents. What we're interested in today is Figjam. So locate and select the Figjam option, which is typically accessible from the main dashboard. Now once you're in Figjam, it's time to explore the power of templates. Templates are pre-designed canvases that can save you time and inspire your projects. They're especially useful for maintaining consistency and ensuring best practices in your designs. To find templates, click on the Templates button. This will take you to a collection of available templates tailored for a variety of needs, whether you're brainstorming, organizing a workshop, or mapping out a project. For an extensive overview, click on All Templates. This option will open up a full gallery of template choices. Each template has been crafted to make your creative process more fluid and to provide inspiration for structuring your Figjam boards effectively. And there you have it, those are the steps to accessing and using templates in Figjam. Remember, utilizing templates can greatly enhance both your personal productivity and collaborative efforts with your team. They not only offer a head start in your design sessions, but also ensure you're adhering to a professional standard of layout and detail. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps have shed light on how you can make the most of Figjam's templates. Don't forget to explore all the features Figma has to offer, as there's always something new to discover. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and guides. Happy designing, and until next time.